Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss some more problems, some on simultaneous linear equation. So just check this problem. It's saying that 4 tables and 3 chairs together cost rupees this. So always I have highlighter so I can do it. In exam, please make sure you will underline this part so that when you will do the sum, you won't make any mistake. So let the cost of one table be x rupees and cost of one chair be y rupees. So first 4 tables. What will be the cost of 4 tables? 4x. My handwriting is not good over there. So table, this is chair, and this is, I had written y. So 4x plus 3y is equals to 2250, right? And next one, 3 tables and 4 chairs cost 1950. So next equation, 3x plus 4y equals to 1950, right? So there is a special way I told you to solve this. If you remember, just check here, the coefficients got exchanged. So I will add them. So 7x plus 7y equals to 004,200. If I take 7 common, so it will be 4200. If I will divide them, I will get 600, right? And if I will subtract these two equations, just check, I will get x minus y equals to 300, right? So now if I will add these two equations, or rather if I will solve this equation, if I will add them, I will get 2x equals to 900, so x will be 450 and y will be equals to 150 rupees. Many times you will leave the sum over here because you will think that I got my xy, my job done. No, please check. The sum is not done. They are still asking in the sum, find the cost of 2 chairs and 1 table. So what will be cost of 2 chairs and 1 table? 2 chairs cost will be 2 into, what was the cost of the chair? Cost of the chair was y. So it will be 2 into 150 plus 450. So cost of 2 chair and 1 table is equals to 300 plus 450 equals to 750 rupees. Is it fine? So next sum, if I will do this one, the sum of two numbers is 8. Also their sum is 4 times their difference. So let the number be x and y. So sum of two numbers is 8. So x plus y equals to 8. And their sum, that is 8, is equals to 4 times their difference. Now if you will write 4 into x minus y, you are making mistake here. Why? Because I don't know it will be 4 into x minus y or 4 into y minus x, because I didn't mention which one is the greater number. Please be very careful. So for this type of sum, when difference is mentioned, please do write that x is greater than y, then only you can write it. Is it fine? So from here x minus y equals to 2. Again, if I will try to solve this in graphical method, so from this table x and y, if you will plot it, as I said, always take 3 numbers. For x equals to 2, if I will put x equals to 2 here, 2 plus y equals to 8, so y will become 6, right? So if I will put x equals to 4, y will become 4, correct? It will calculate. If x equals to 1, y will become 7. Now from this x and y, if I will plot them, so if y is 1, x is becoming 3. If y is 2, x is becoming 4. If y is 4, y is becoming 6, right? Just put the value in the equation and check. So again, if I will draw this line of y-axis and this x-axis. So this is my x-axis and y-axis. As I said, please don't forget to put this arrow marks and write this is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. Now 2 comma 6. So 2 comma 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, somewhere over there. 3, 4, 4 comma 4 will be somewhere over here. And 1 comma 7, 1 comma 7 will be somewhere over here. So if I will try to join them with a line, it will be like this. It was more or less accurate this time. Now next point, 3 comma 1. So x3 y1, it will be over here. 4 comma 2, x4 y2, somewhere over there. And 6 comma 4, 5 6, 6 comma 4, somewhere over there. If I will join them with a line, just check. The line is meeting through this point with graph, reference of the graph. You will clearly understand this point is 5 comma 3. Hence the numbers are 5 and 3, right? One more problem I will try to solve, digit problem. A 2-digit number is obtained by. Now how to represent 2-digit number? Generally, if it is the number is 75, I can write it as 70 plus 5. So it will be 10 into 7 plus 5. So if the digits are x and y, I can write it like this. So any 2-digit number I can write as 10x plus y. One simple example, if it is 3-digit number, do you agree it will be 100x plus 10y plus z? Correct? So 2-digit number is obtained by either multiplying the sum of the digits by 8. 2-digit number is obtained by either multiplying the sum of the digits by 8 and then subtracting 5. So what we are doing, sum of the digits, I am multiplying it by 8 and then subtracting 5. Correct? Or it can be obtained in such a way, multiplying the difference of the digits by 16. Multiplying the difference of the digits by 16. So difference of the digits by, it will be 16. Difference of the digits I am multiplying by 16 and then adding 3. Is it fine? So 2 digits number, we are multiplying this difference, and again here we have to write, take x is greater than y, otherwise this will be negative. So from the first equation, 10x plus y is equals to 8x plus 8y minus 5. If I simplify, it will be 2x minus 7y equals to minus 5, right? From this equation, 10x plus y is equals to 16x minus 16y plus 3. So if I take all the terms in one side, minus 6x and plus 17y is equals to 3. If I have to solve this, just check. I'm not going to worry. I taught you this thing that I'm just going to multiply this equation by 3. So it will become 6x minus 21y equals to minus 15. Now if I will add them, my x will be cancelled out. So for adding, signs will remain same. So I can write minus 4y is equals to minus 12. So y will be equals to 3. If I choose any of the equation, suppose if I choose this equation and put the value of y as 3, so 2x equals to minus 5 plus 21, so 2x equals to 16, x equals to 8. So just check what we need to find out. We need to find out the number, and the number is 10x plus y. Don't calculate only x and y and leave the example. So it will be 10 into 8 plus 3, so it will be 83. For simultaneous linear problem sum, there are many other problems. What I had done, I have just tried to solve couple of problems. If there is any more problem which you got stuck, please let me know in the comment box so that I can solve it for you. Thank you.